Okay, Assalamualaikum. I'm going to guide you on how you are going to fill in this scoring rubric. All right, in class name, you are going to put your group number and your group leader's name. All right, so first you're gonna fill in your class name, which is J4BC1A, and then underscore. Let's say you are from group 1. Okay, if you take a look at this form, the ELC peer assessment evaluation. Okay, so group 1 is the leader is Hazlina. So what you are going to do is you put 1 for group number 1 and then Hazlina. Okay, if you want to put Yaqub also can lah. Yeah, up to you. So this is your group name. Alright, the group name here, the second column, is for the group that you are assessing. Let's say you are assessing group number 2. So group number 2 is Naziyadin's as the leader. So what you're going to put in is 2 underscore Naziyadin. Alright, so because there are 6 groups here, there are 6 groups. So you are going to fill in the form 5 times. So group 3, Sharudin, group 4, Shahiraiman, and so on. So basically, you are going to fill this form 5 times. Okay, I hope you are clear on that. So speaking activity, this is speaking activity 1. So you click on speaking activity 1. Okay, and then you fill in the necessary, alright, what do you think they deserve, and so on and so on, and then you submit. Alright, so once you have submit, that is submission number 1 for group number 2. And then you have to do 5 times because there are 5 groups, excluding your group. So you don't have to assess your own group. Alright, so let's recap. So class name is J4BC1A and then your group number and your group leader's name. Right, because this is only group leader that fill in, then should be okay. Alright, so only the group leader will fill in the scoring rubric. Alright, so each group will assess the other 5 groups. So you do not access your own group. Okay, and then group name here is the group number and leader that you are assessing. So basically, you have to fill the form 5 times. Only the leader will fill the form. But the marks can be, you can discuss lah as a group. Alright, so I hope this clear the matters. If you are not sure, please ask in the group. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.